Pennsylvania, trying to wave your way, you breaker.
Hey, KP68, I got you in there, no doubt about it. 38, the black gold of Sawdust leaving.
Hey, sir.
All right, there, 38. Yeah, man. Yep, you came in there blowing smoke, brother. 38 in the black gold. Yeah, I got you in there, man. Good to hear you out there. Yep, I think I talked to you, when was that? Yeah, last week or something like that. I think I got you on gate. But anyhow, right there, 38 in black gold. KP, 68 Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, back on the side.
Okay, I got KP68 out there in Pennsylvania. I guarantee you made a good trip up here into Oklahoma on this little one-element antenna. Whole wood antenna pointed out to the east. 38 just around Mississippi. Back on the mail.
All right there, my friend. All right there, buddy. All right, yep, I'm sure we'll be talking to each other again real soon there. All right there, bud. Take care. KP, 68 Pittsburgh, back on the side.
Have a good one, KP68. We'll catch you in there again. I know we are. I hear you all the time. 38 Sawdust in the black gold on a little home-brewed antenna. Get down and go.
All right there, 38. All right there, yeah, the little antenna's doing its thing up here for sure. All right there, brother. All right there, big brother. God bless you. KP68 back out.
Well, 704, I'm bad for it, but I got